What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine, and I'm back with another video. In this video, we will be doing this half braids, half quick weave style for my client, and I do like to do this style with no leave out. So if you need to know how to do that, stay tuned to this video so I can show you how to do it. So I'm starting off with freshly washed and blow dried hair. I do shampoo my clients for a quick weave. Really, any extensions service I do a shampoo for. You know, you just want to make sure that hair clean, especially when you're doing some type of braids. If you add gel to oily hair, it's not going to work out. So just go ahead and make sure the hair's shampooed and blow dry. You know what I'm saying? Just make sure it's clean. So I'm going to start off doing that, and then we're going to do a part at the middle of the head, so I can do the quick weave in the back, and we are going to put these two braids in the front, these two stitch braids in the front. If you need to know how to close up a quick weave without leave out, make sure you watch to the end of this video. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. It is very easy, very simple. You will need a hot comb, but if you need to know how to close a quick weave without doing leave out, watch this video. Before I did get started with this style on my client, I went ahead and trimmed her hair because we haven't trimmed it in a while, and it was time to do a trim. So make sure you keep up with your trim. Make sure you keep up with your trim. I'm going to say it again. Make sure you keep up with your trim. This hairstyle was super cute. I'm being honest, I got this, she got this hair from, this is some purple pack hair, I believe she got from the beauty supply store, but I had never seen this color before. It wasn't like a regular ombre 1B30. It was really like a 1B/433, and I really thought this color was super pretty. So if you're wondering what color this hair was, it was actually a 1B/433. I had never seen that before. It was super pretty. And yeah, we're just going to do the two French braids, and then we're going to, you know, attach them at the back so that they lay perfectly over the extensions, you know, giving just a cute little pullback look. So I'm starting off with my braid pattern that I do for majority of my hairstyles. If you've been here on the Pretty Lunch channel, you know I love this braid down. So this is my go-to. I do it all the time. Whether it's for a crochet, sewing, anything. This is my braid down. So yeah, just stay tuned for the end of this video. I love this hairstyle. It was super cute on her, and yeah, it is something that you can do if you are lacking experience in stitch braids. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, it took me a very long time to understand how to do stitch braids, but this is the reason why I braid with nails on, because the nails really do help me create this stitch, and you will see that too later on in this video, how I use my nails to create the stitch for the front of the braids. Stitching in larger sections is a little bit difficult, but because I have nails or something, you know, pointy, it's easier to separate those here to make sure that that stitch is very visible. That's really all they want to see, right? Is the actual design itself, the design of the stitch. If you are not subscribed to the Pretty Lounge channel, make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you are, you know, subscribed so you can join the Pretty Lunch family to see what's popping at the Pretty Lunch every week. We do drop videos here every Sunday at noon. And I love just dropping, you know, different tutorials for you all, stuff that I'm actually doing at the shop. You know, I think this style was about 2 weeks ago, but I'm trying to get them out to you as quick as possible. I need to start dropping more than one video a week, because I got content for y'all. I got videos for y'all. I just really need to, I'm going to get on it. Don't worry. But in the meantime, make sure you subscribe so you can get the notification for when I do drop a video. You see what I'm saying? We need you here in the family. So let me know if you like this video. Give me any comments in the comment section. If you have any questions about anything, I would love to get back and respond to you all. And again, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like this video at the end. Alright, just stay tuned for this video. It is a full-blown tutorial of how I completed this style. And yeah, thank you for tuning in to the Pretty Lounge channel. I appreciate each and every one of y'all, because our family here is growing on YouTube, and I'm so excited about it. Wow. Alright, y'all, happy Sunday. I hope y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day.